You are not gonna believe this, okay? Your body can literally launch something at 100 miles per hour. I know, right? Like a sneeze? Dude, a sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour. That is faster than a freaking sports car. I'm not even kidding. And that's why they go flying everywhere, man. Like once it starts, oh my God, you cannot stop it. It's just gone. It's like boom, you know? And okay, listen, just subscribe, all right? Because we are so close, like so close to hitting our first 100 subscribers, and I am freaking out, man. Let's get there together.